South Africa's table grape industry had a bumper season last year, with a record harvest of 78.9 million cartons, the largest national harvest ever. Less than 10% were exported to North America. Producers were hoping to expand that market, but with the looming tariffs, that might prove fruitless.
10% we can still accommodate for, but above 10% it's not economically viable for us. Then Chile and Peru's got the overhand above us due to market conditions, and it's going to be in their favor, so it's not going to be in our favor anymore. The market penetration of the 5 past seasons we've had, we have increased the volume to about 28% of market share, which we send our products to the USA. So if the tariff which President Trump is putting on the table of 31%, it's not going to be economically viable for us.
With tariffs expected to triple if no new trade deal is reached, producers say they'll have to look at other markets.
We'll have to ship more products to Europe and to the UK, as we already do. And one positive thing is the Philippines open for us. So that's also a new marketing channel we can use in the future.
South Africa has appointed a new envoy to the US, hoping to crush out a new deal.
The products that we send to the US is because there is a demand for it. There's a counter-seasonality issue when it comes to agriculture, where we have particular products when they don't have it in that market. And I think those are some part and parcel of the conversation we must have. And in terms of the quota, I think if South Africa can get about 100,000 tons, either tariff-free or at 10%, we can have the breathing space. Then from there onwards, then the long-term free trade agreement conversation has to begin. What South Africa can go forward with is, of course, then asking those bit of a leeway for the near term for sensitive industries. But I think highlighting the desire that in the long term, we want a trade agreement.
The table grape industry is hoping to produce more record seasons in the next few years and hoping the markets will be in their favor. Ulrich Hendricks, SABC News, Uppington, Northern Cape.